Z-type continuous vertical conveyor, factory acceptance testing. The main structure is built with heavy-duty columns and crossbeams to ensure overall rigidity and long-term stability. The Z-type layout allows vertical lifting while keeping horizontal infeed and outfeed aligned. The load carrier is designed to support stable material transfer under continuous operation. Chain-driven transmission and guided roller system ensures smooth movement and controlled tracking. Industrial motors and gearboxes are selected based on load and duty cycle requirements. The system runs in continuous mode, completing a full cycle without interruption. Designed for automation projects with limited space and multiple height levels,